This video is going to show you how to compare two countries using ifitweremyhome.com. So when you log in, you get this page right here. It's got a long list of countries. Let's say we want to compare Vietnam to South Korea. So I can come down here, there's Vietnam, I'll select it. And the first thing that I get is actually comparing the United States to Vietnam. So this would say if Vietnam were your home instead of the United States. But I want to compare Vietnam to South Korea. So what I need to do is click right here, compare Vietnam to other countries. And when I do that, I get the list again. I can come down here and find South Korea. Now I get it like this. So if South Korea were your home instead of Vietnam, you would. Now this is very important. This sentence is saying if South Korea were your home. So if I lived in South Korea, these things would apply. I would make more money. I would consume more oil. I would spend more money on healthcare, all of those things. If I wanted to look at this from the Vietnam perspective, all I have to do is click this again, compare South Korea to other countries, and now choose Vietnam, and now it's going to give me the Vietnam perspective. But this first sentence is very important to understand which perspective you're talking about so you can tell which one is better or worse than the other place in terms of these categories. So when you get these categories, you can read them on the top line, like you would die 6.89 years sooner, but you can also click the bar and that gives you some information like what's the life expectancy, which sometimes is the actual number that you're looking for. So like, for example, like be 87.5% times more likely to be murdered. Well, if I click this, this tells me, I guess, the murders per 1,000 people in each of those countries. So clicking on these bars gives you often the actual data that you need that creates these numbers that tells you which one is better than the other. So there you go. Good luck.